So in Forex, you're going to need two systems. You need a system to analyze the market, and you need a system to place trades. We use a system called MT5 to place trades. We use another system called TradingView to analyze the markets. Once you have these two systems set up, then we can go into strategy on how to make money in the markets. But we first have to set up these systems. So let's go to this video and you'll learn how to set up MT5 in real time. Thanks. So if you want to make money in the markets, you need a device to pull money out of the market. We use MetaTrader 5 for that, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. We call it MT5 for short. And so I'm going to show you how to download MT5, and we're going to place a trade on that. It may not make sense. Don't worry about it. Just do exactly as I'm doing. It'll make sense as you get further along in the training. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go over, type in MetaTrader 5 into Google. You'll see MetaTrader 5 pop up as an option. You're going to go to MetaTrader 5. This is the website for MetaTrader 5, metatrader5.com. At the top, you'll see a bunch of things that you can download. I want you to download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. So when you click that, if you're using Google Chrome, what you're going to see is at the top corner, you'll see a download. I want you to click that, download. And it's going to open up a window that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And so we do want to allow that app to make changes to our device. It opens up a dialog box. I have two screens, so I'm looking at one screen, pulling it over to this screen that I'm recording on. So this download box has the terms and agreements. You're going to click next, and it's going to start downloading for you. So once this downloads, you'll hit the finish button, and we'll wait for that to happen. It's pretty quick. So there's the finish button. And what that does is it downloads MetaTrader 5 to your desktop, and you're going to get a screen. It also opens up a new window in your Google Chrome browser. You don't need that. So you can actually close out of your Google, and it'll open up MetaTrader 5. It'll look like this. If you don't see this on your screen, look on your desktop. You'll have an icon that looks like this on your screen. So this is MetaTrader 5. This is how you're going to access it going forward. But once you click that, it'll open up MetaTrader 5 on your desktop, and MetaTrader 5 will look like this.